How to resize a widget on the home screen on an Android phone. This video is brought to you by kids.education, where you can download high-quality educational materials for your kids. Resizing your widgets allows you to expand them to see more detailed information or shrink them down to save valuable screen space. Navigate to the specific home screen page that contains the widget you want to resize. Press and hold your finger firmly on the center of the widget for about 2 seconds, then release it. A small pop-up menu appears after you release your finger. Tap on Adjust Size from the menu. Highlighted dots will appear on all the 4 sides of the widget. Tap and drag the highlighted dots on the sides, top, or bottom to stretch or shrink the widget. Lift your finger off the screen when you are happy with the new dimensions. Tap anywhere on the empty background wallpaper to lock the new size securely into place. This is how you can resize a widget on the home screen on an Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Now that your layout is customized to the perfect size, your next step is to clear out any tools you no longer use. Click the video on your screen to learn how to remove a widget from the home screen on an Android phone right now.